Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add featured photos and videos on your Facebook profile. Here I am on my Facebook profile. First we go and scroll down here until we find edit public details. We tap on it and from here we go scroll down until we find featured. We now, if you have this, you tap on try it, and sometimes it will show you add button like this. Here you tap on it. So now we go and tap on try it. From here you're going to choose what you need to add to your featured photos or videos. You can choose from your camera roll, or you can choose from your stories or your archived stories. All your stories will appear here. I have only one, so I have only one appear here. Or you can choose from uploaded photos to you uploaded to your profile in the past. So from here I will go and choose this, and I will make, you can choose one photo or you can choose multiple one. So now I go choose 3, and we go and tap on next on the bottom here. From here you can add a title to your future collection. I will tap this and go and tap on save on the bottom here. Okay, if we go now to our profile and make refresh, you will see it added a future collection here. If we tap on it, it will show us 3 photos we have chosen. Now if I need to add only one video or only one story, we go and tap on new, and from here you can choose from your camera roll, or you can choose from your stories, and you can choose from your uploaded photos. So now I will go and choose this story and tap on next and add title to this featured video or story. Now we go and tap on save. Now on my profile I will go and make refresh. You will see I have added this future story to my profile. If I click on it,
like a boom 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 boom.
now thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please comment below and like this video.